Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cabin Creek Homestead. It's a beautiful morning and I'm headed out to the barn to get some chores done, and I thought you might want to come along and see what it looks like for us to get our barn chores done here in the morning. I have also been told that I talk too much on these videos, so I'm gonna play some music and you can just watch while I do all the hard work. I'm sorry, I can't do this. I have to interrupt. That was yesterday, Christine, and I think she was going through some stuff because today, Christine, remembered that we are done with the people-pleasing thing. Do I talk too much? Absolutely, I do. But the good news is that there are a million channels on YouTube, and you can totally go find one where they don't talk as much as me. In the eternal words of Elise Myers, if I am too much, then go find less. In this past month, which is crazy, I can't even fathom how this is happening, we've gained over 100 subscribers to this channel. I am not so desperate for subscribers and viewers that I will change who I am and succumb to the ugly comments that are on this channel. And by the way, this is a healing homestead that I'm documenting because I know there are other people out there who probably need a lifestyle change to overcome some grief that they are going through. I don't know what kind of person wakes up and decides that they're gonna go crap on somebody else's dream. I'm just imagining that your mom called you and said, "Hey, how was your day? What'd you do today?" And you were like, "Hey, I ruined some kid's dream on the internet." I'm ignoring the negativity because it will always be there and I can't change your mind, although I would love to help you deal with some of that anger that you're holding on to. I'm gonna be who I am and this channel is gonna be what I want it to be. So I'm gonna talk a lot. So if you need to unsubscribe, just go for it, just do it. But if you are new to our channel, I'm really glad that you're here. I am full of gratitude for the gifts that I have to be able to overcome an extremely traumatic childhood and give my children the childhood that I wish I had had before I was adopted. One last thing and then I'm done. Life is short and it is very hard, and I don't want to waste my sorrows on people who pretend to be friendly but are definitely unsupportive of this new adventure that we are on. You know how sometimes you have to block people on social media that just cause nothing but chaos and love to stir the pot? I don't think it's healthy to completely shut yourself off from the world, but I do think there's some wisdom in being very choosy over who you let into the deepest parts of your heart, because their voice can be the loudest. And if it's not supportive and encouraging and just full of good, godly advice, then perhaps they need to be blocked in a similar manner as social media. Thank you for allowing me to interrupt and share my heart on this topic. Now you get to watch me just do some barn chores.
my bike?
Sure.